normal project by any means.
The hands-on experience I've acquired throughout this project has been phenomenal.
This is definitely one of the most interesting and unique projects I've ever worked on.
Hi, I'm Prafula and I led the Environmental Science Department, which focuses on ozone and why it's so important. The ozone layer sits in the stratosphere and acts as a blanket, shielding the harmful UV rays from penetrating into the Earth's surface. Although it is very useful, the direct inhalation of the ozone gas is extremely harmful. However, due to industrial activities, the concentration of ozone in the lower layers of the atmosphere have increased. Hence, we wanted to investigate this phenomenon.
Hi, I'm Govan and I use my passion for structural engineering to help this project. I did this by designing the payload itself. To design the payload, I had to make sure that the wind flow to the ozone and temperature sensors were perfect, and that the circuitry inside the box itself was well insulated enough to be able to handle working at minus 80 degrees Celsius. This was a really interesting challenge to tackle, and it helped me gain some amazing hands-on experience with structural engineering.
Hey, I'm Ritvik. I dealt with many tasks on this project, but I primarily dealt with the data analysis part and the electronics part. I wired all of the components and I did extensive testing on them for the extreme conditions that they were going to undergo. I have dealt with electronics before, but never to this extent, so it was a really good learning experience for me. So data analysis was another challenge in this task. It involved pre-processing the data that we collected and using advanced statistics and computer science to draw conclusions from said data.
Hello, I am Rahil and I was focused on the software development side of this project. So I had to make a program that would collect and store data from our sensors. Apart from software development, I also worked on creating the box and testing the payload and sensors. I am also responsible for collecting the base data for our data analysis. This project gave me many opportunities to develop my mechanical structural engineering skills and also my skills in data science. But the best part was I was able to learn and do something out of my field of computer science.
Hello, I am Aman. As project manager, I had to coordinate with everyone involved and manage my team. This was the kind of project I always wanted to do, and when I found out the good that comes from analyzing ozone, I immediately formed this team to help me accomplish this. Personally, I worked on the mechanical aspect of the project and the data analysis, and it put a real test on my leadership skills to manage a team with different specializations.
I'm Nikita from SSERD. I mentor this team. SSERD's one of the main motto is to bring this researchive kind of interest among students. These students from Oakridge International School are brilliant, and their hunger to learn about astrophysics made them to take this project. We have led them throughout this project, which took 6 months, and it wouldn't have been possible without the support of Indian Institute of Astrophysics, SKC Lab and the Green Tech Solutions.